Okay, hi family. Thank you for turning into my channel. This is Amore, and you saw the weight that I was today. Obviously, I have gained weight. I did not start the fast when I said I was going to start the fast, and that happens a lot of times when we are trying to lose weight and we have chosen a certain way to lose weight. At least it happens to me. I can't talk for anyone else, but I can speak for myself. And I say I'm going to lose weight, and then, you know, I go for a time, and then I stop, and then I just give up. And this time I really thought about, I'm sorry, I have like a frog voice today. Um, and I'm not sure why, but sorry about that. But this happens a lot of time with me in the past. Um, and I thought about whether I should make this video or not, because it was just easy for me to stay away and just not um, make a video, wait until, I'm able to get on it and stay on the fast, and then come back when I've lost some weight. But this is part of the process, and that's why I'm doing this video. Even though at first I was feeling ashamed and disappointed in myself, but in this journey, I have decided that I'm going to be authentic, and I'm going to be open. And in that, I'll find my strength again. So I have started today. I just had an orange juice, freshly squeezed orange juice that was really good. I have a few green juices in the fridge, so I'm going to have those later on today, actually in a few minutes when I finish this video. So just wanted to show you what my beginning weight is. And this time I'm not putting a limit on how long the juice feast is going to be, because I find that when I put a date, it's almost as if I'm waiting for that day to come, and I'm going to eat, and I think of all the different goodies I'm going to eat, and that's not the goal of this journey. The goal of this journey is to find health completely, to alleviate, to remove all those different diseases and diagnoses that I have, and to be healthier. I did tell you guys that I went to my doctor, I think it was about a week ago, and she knows that I am on a juice fast, and at this time she's supportive about that. So just wanted you to know, come up here. This is not a long video, but just to tell you that I am finally on my juice fast. So I'm happy about that, and making this video will keep me accountable to stay on it, and to break it in the right way when that time happens. But I'm not going to say, and I don't know actually when, when I will break this fast. So the journey continues, and messing up or falling off the wagon, or taking a few steps back, it's all part of the journey. Okay, thanks for um, listening and joining me. Okay, you guys have a great day.